Amplitude and frequency are two important properties of any sound. The loudness of sound depends on its amplitude. Sound travels in a wave, is the displacement along an axis. Amplitude is defined as the maximum distance a vibrating body moves from its place of rest. When the amplitude of vibration is large, the sound produced is loud. When the amplitude of vibration is small, the sound produced is feeble. Loudness of sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude of the vibration producing the sound. The loudness is expressed in a unit called decibel, the symbol of which is dB. For example, the loudness of a normal conversation is 60 decibels. Frequency. The to and fro motion of a vibrating object is also called as oscillatory motion. This motion is similar to the motion of a pendulum. The number of oscillations per second is called the frequency of oscillation. Unit of frequency is Hertz, which is represented by Hz. A frequency of 1 Hertz is 1 oscillation per second. The frequency determines the shrillness or pitch of a sound. More the frequency of vibration, shrills is the sound produced. For example, a drum vibrates with low frequency, so the sound produced by it is a low pitch, but a whistle has a high frequency, therefore it produces a high-pitched sound. The voice of a woman has a higher frequency than that of a man. Hence, the voice of a woman is shriller than a man.